Meaning of foliage.
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 Foliage. Foliage refers to the leaves of a plant or tree, especially when they are fully grown and abundant. It is an important component of ecosystems and can provide food and shelter for various types of animals. Foliage is also aesthetically pleasing and can be used in landscaping and gardening to create visual interest and texture. Additionally, foliage can play a role in regulating temperature and humidity levels within an environment. Overall, foliage serves as a vital and multifaceted aspect of the natural world.